y'all, welcome to What's Cooking
with Alexis Baby.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to like, to subscribe, to comment anything you would like to see. Today I'm going to be doing a cooking video. I'm going to be making pizza from scratch. So stay tuned.
You did. Bitch, pay me, bring the guap out. We ain't changing.
I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hands. Sanitary precautions, hair up. It's pizza crust. You don't need like Target brand, but depending on what pizza you're gonna make, you need toppings. For the sauce, I have this traditional pizza sauce, but I don't know if I'm gonna use it because I'm very picky with red sauce. So I might just use this one because this one is like when I make my pasta, this tastes good with just the pasta alone. And this is Chunky Italian Garden pasta sauce from Walmart. Would highly recommend this because I can't just have regular red sauce when I have pasta. I always have to add seasoning because I never like it. But this one tastes really good on its own, so highly would recommend that. I have cheese. I have mozzarella and provolone mix. You can use any cheese you like, but love me some provolone and mozzarella. Jalapenos fresh, of course, because we don't like that can here for the pizza. Tomato, because I'm making margarita pizza. And I also have a bell pepper that I'm going to add, because why not? I already went ahead and I washed these, so we can get straight into it. And then I'm going to put pineapples.
Because pineapples do belong on pizza. It's a topping for a reason.
So I'm going to put that in there, just like the tidbits. You can use a can, doesn't matter, you don't have to use fresh. And then bacon, because I love me some bacon. And a little salt because, you know, it needs salt to get like some flavor. I think you put basil, I think, I don't know. But I have mint, so I'm going to just put like a little hint of mint. We're going to figure it out, but it's going to be bomb regardless. You can also add ranch, if you like ranch like that in your pizza, like for your sauce instead of the red sauce. You can also use white sauce. I've done it before, I love it. And for me personally, I put extra sauce. I don't care, like I love red sauce. So let's get started. I have a pizza pan that I got, like this little duo set. And then I got this at the Dollar Tree. So you have no excuse, it was $1. The pan might be a little more expensive, but it's all inexpensive stuff. You can just use like a cookie sheet. Let's preheat the oven to about a whopping 300 degrees. And I'm gonna go ahead and put foil. I'm going to be a cooking channel for now because I love cooking. And one day I hope to be like Guy Fieri, like going traveling the world and trying food because I love eating food, love rating food, love making food. So excited. And I freeze these so they don't lose their shape, as well as so they don't kind of go bad, because in this heat they're gonna go bad. And they rip hella easy, so throw them bitches in the freezer ASAP, no Rocky. So I think for my first pizza,
I don't really know. I'm like, actually, you know what? Thank you for watching. I'm leaving it here. Do you know how to make a pizza?
It should look easy, but they don't know what it takes. Don't ask me the time I got spaghetti.
I would also recommend using Italian seasoning.
Oregano.
A little taste test. It smells like, well, actually it smells pretty good. It's good. It needs a little something though. And I would also add ricotta to it, but my ricotta went bad. So, yummy. See, normal people like it like very like, not that much sauce, but bitch, I love extra. Give me all of that. So now once that is on there and it's lathered up in ooey ooey goodness, I believe next comes the cheese, and I think we're just gonna go in on the cheese because why not? So apparently cheese is what makes the pizza, so we're just gonna go ham. Okay, that should be good. I don't know. I think cream cheese can work as a ricotta. Don't fucking come for me in the comments and be like, ew. I'm a chef, I know what I'm doing. I would recommend using fresh jalapeno because like it just tastes different. And all of this stuff is really inexpensive. You can get jalapenos, the tomatoes, bell peppers from like the 99-cent store, or like, I don't know, grocery outlet, really inexpensive. Walmart, that sauce was really inexpensive. The cheese, I got it for like $3 for like $7, I think, at Food Max. You just have to like be on the lookout. Ricotta's more like on the pricey side, but normally you can get a big container for like a decent price. Pineapple in a can, pretty inexpensive. All this is really inexpensive. Bacon, you just kind of have to keep an eye out. This is how it is looking. Imagine it all falls. Okay. Kind of spicy. Well, the pizza's gonna take longer probably because of the bacon. I'm gonna cut the bacon. And I love bacon, so a big, thick piece ain't nothing to me. We like it thick over here. And this is it. Okay, that looks good. There's hella bacon. Just kidding. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put this in the oven. Ooh, that's hot. Okay. I'm gonna cut the tomato. I'm just gonna cut it in really thin slices.
Comment down below if you've had the experience where you ate a food and it just tastes like refrigerator. Because people be telling me that I'm crazy, like what the fuck. But one of the person who was, they said that they could taste refrigerator too. So a lot bit more. Okay. Then maybe this one. Okay. A little Italian seasoning. A little bit of the pizza sauce. Actually, let's put a little more. Okay. I'll be pissed. Okay. Now that this is drenched,
just get into them little crevices. Maybe a little sea salt. A little Italian seasoning. See, I can't keep anything the same because it's like you're in art. You don't just put a color to paper. You gotta mix multiple colors to get the color that you want. You know? Okay, I think I went a little too in. Do I care? No. I think this one, since it's a lot of veggies, I'm gonna go more in on the cheese because there is no way. Okay. Yes, we're putting a chorro. Okay, now I'm gonna add the bits of tomate. I think for this one, I'm gonna put jalapenos too because of like spice and a big flavor. So
some bell peppers.
Okay. Kind of sprinkle it all over. You put mint in like a couple places, not too much because I'm pretty sure you're supposed to put basil. Just kind of sprinkle it everywhere. Italian seasoning, a little bit of oregano leaves. This is an update on how the pizza's looking. Since there's bacon, I might have to leave it in there for a cool minute, but maybe y'all should do the bacon beforehand because this shit might burn. And then this is the other one. It looks kind of burnt because I had to put it longer because of the bacon. So I would recommend just cooking the bacon first and then putting it on top. But it still looks kind of scrumptious. So we gonna review this pizza so I can take my ass to bed. I went ahead and I put crushed red pepper. I feel like that bell pepper really gave it like that that I needed. Ooh, the jalapeno, too spicy. Holy. This should be illegal. Holy. If this video gets 30 likes, I will make a how to make pho video. So make sure to like. Okay, I'm gonna move on to the jalapeno, pineapple, and bacon with cream cheese instead of ricotta cheese. Low-key, the cream cheese, like, it tastes good. So tomorrow, I'm gonna just put hella cheese on top of it, and that shit gonna go yay. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like, to subscribe, and to comment any food videos you would want me to do, or any videos in general. Remember, 30 likes will get you a how to make pho video. Stay tuned.
I mean, shit look easy, but they don't know what it take. Don't ask me the time I got spaghettis in the face. Jojo drops on Louis, I want everything he made.